The Nationals visiting the Marlins on Tuesday night. Steven Strasburg on the hill for the Nats, trying to win his third straight decision. He gets some run support in the second. Adam Eaton at the dish with 2 men on, facing Sandy Alcantara.
Swing and Eaton lines it to right. That's going to be a base hit. Wieters will score from third. It's the Nationals 1 and the Marlins nothing. Turner struck out on a 3-2 pitch his first time up.
He's going to bunt. Safety squeeze. Here comes Defoe. Safe. And that's a great way to get your 65th run batted in. Got him. 2-2 the count, 1 out. Nice on the off speed for another K. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Front door strikeout.
Wow.
Swing and a miss. He got him on a changeup. That is 6 strikeouts in a row for Strasburg.
Swing and a miss. 92 by him. Paint. Another strikeout. 8 outs in a row via the K.
Here's Anthony Rendon.
Rendon, base hit right side. Trey Turner speeding home. Harper going to third. Ball cut off. He's in there. It gets away, but not far enough. But Rendon will go to second.
And the Nationals add to their lead. It's now 4-2.
John Doolittle, his 25th save as the Nationals double up the Marlins 4-2. Steven Strasburg wins his third straight decision. He goes 6 innings, allowing 2 runs, striking out 11, which ties for a season high. Anthony Rendon, 2 hits and 2 RBIs. Trey Turner also a pair of hits. He's hit safely in 7 straight.